Hello everyone, I'm Mona Serbescu, a geology professor and the executive director of the geology program. Welcome to CMU, you made it! And thank you for watching from wherever you are. So let's get started. We put this material together to introduce our program and our group of faculty who teach geology. So whether you are just thinking about joining CMU or you are already here but not decided about your field of study and you would like a brief introduction to the field of geology and who we are, the courses we teach, and who we really are, and all the opportunities that we offer, please continue to watch. Geology, also known as earth science or geoscience, is a very broadly defined career field, one of the most needed to overcome the challenges of the 21st century. Why? Well, as the world population is expanding, we do need a lot. What does our civilization need to continue to prosper? Well, clean water and soil and energy and mineral resources of all kinds. In order to change from burning fossil fuels to unconventional energy sources like these wind turbines or electric cars or other green technologies, more than ever, we rely on advanced materials made of rare metals such as lithium and cobalt, tantalum, and so many more. And also, we need to cope with natural hazards such as hurricane and volcanic eruptions. All those need to be studied and monitored by geoscientists. In addition to all these applied fields, we need fundamental research, such as looking back into the geologic past of our planet so we can better understand the present and predict the future. And also, we need to continue to educate everyone about how our planet works. So more than ever, the world needs all sorts of exploration geologists and environmental geologists and hydrogeologists, and then geochemists, geophysicists such as seismologists, and so many more, geostatisticians, mineralogists, petrologists, volcanologists, paleontologists, sedimentologists, geomorphologists, marine geologists, and again, college professors and fundamental researchers such as planetary scientists. Our geology program gives you the fundamental basic knowledge and skills to pursue your dreams in any of these career paths, the one that fits you best. Why should you join our program at CMU? You would benefit of small class sizes, close interactions with your professors, lots of activities, working in groups because those are the most memorable learning experiences, an efficient curriculum focused on what's important competencies and skills required by employers, as well as individualized advising, career events, connections to alumni who are very nice and ready to help you go out there and find the job of your dreams. So students love it here. They do lots of fun activities and field trips. All this collaborative learning, spending time together leads to lifelong friendships and networking. So important after you graduate. You can take advantage of scholarships and independent research projects conducted one-on-one with a faculty mentor. And you can travel together to present your results of authentic research. Around 85% of our graduates find geoscience-related jobs or go to graduate school, and they are well paid. In 2019, the median pay for a geoscientist was around $92,000 per year, the equivalent of $44 per hour. You can see more information posted on our department website. And so, yeah, think about it. Would you like to be next one, happily graduating and continuing with a career that you love? So if you are undecided about your major at this point, which is very normal, you can start with an introductory course such as Earth Systems or Processes, Oceanography, Prehistoric Life. Those do not have prerequisites, and if times are good, we can go back to group activities and field trips. In any case, we're going to take good care of you, keep you safe, and if we need to resume online learning, that worked for us quite well last semester. Feel free to contact me since I'm starting my 20th year at CMU, so I can help you with your questions about the geology program and what classes to take not to fall behind and what kind of career paths to explore. Send me an email or call and then let's arrange for a video chat. And now let's continue to listen brief introductions from the other geology faculty. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Larry Lemke, and I'm a professor of environmental geology here at CMU. I teach introductory courses in physical geology, as well as advanced courses in structural geology and hydrogeology, which is the study of groundwater. If you become a geology major, you'll probably take structure with me, and you might take hydro as an elective along with some of the environmental science majors. My students and I work on studying the distribution of contaminants in the air, in water, groundwater in particular, and in the soils. And many of the students who work with me have gone on to successful careers as environmental consultants. I really enjoy working with undergraduate students, and I welcome them into my lab. When you get to CMU, look me up, say hello, introduce yourself, and after you get a couple of geology courses under your belt, if you're interested in the things I do, I'd be really happy to talk to you about doing a research project with me. Welcome to CMU, and I'm looking forward to meeting you soon. Cheers.
Hello everyone, my name is Natalia Zakarova, and I'm a faculty in the Geology program at CMU. I teach many different classes, starting from Introduction to Earth Sciences and Earth Processes, through some required classes like Geomath, to electives like Geophysics or Geostatistics. Geomath is potentially my favorite class. It is a required class for our majors, and it's pretty unique. It is designed to help students to master quantitative skills that are sometimes challenging through very applicable intangible problems and through really lots of practice and group work. And this is very common for our classes in general, that in our program you get a lot of hands-on field and lab experience, group work, and an opportunity to practice a lot of the soft skills in addition to mastering basics of geology. Today, I happen to be out west, and now I'm by one of the most famous, potentially, formations, geologic features in the U.S. This is the Devil's Tower in Wyoming, and it is something very similar to an old volcano, except it was underground. Now, if you take a geoscience class, you'll learn all about how these things form and maybe even why it has this interesting columnar structures in it. But geology is not only about rocks and mountains. We do a lot of laboratory work, a lot of very high complexity, very interesting analytical methods, as well as computational geoscience. And that's really what drew me to geology in the first place, or earth sciences, is that it's so interdisciplinary. You can find here bits of chemistry, of physics, of math, of computer science, biology, or even social science, because we people interact with the earth around us all the time. And I find this mix of very different sciences really interesting in earth sciences or geology. And if you join our program, I'm sure you can find something interesting to you, and the faculty of the geology program will help you and provide individual guidance to help you find what interests you the most and to realize your full potential. So I hope to see you soon in one of my classes. Bye.
I hope you are enjoying this. Next, we have Dr. Anthony Shabazz.
Do you have any idea what I'm holding? This is one of the oldest pieces of rock ever collected on Earth. This sedimentary rock is roughly 3.2 billion years old. It was collected in South Africa. Here, at the Star Lab at Central Michigan University, we are specialized in analyzing trace element geochemistry. By measuring this trace element concentration in very old rocks, we can reconstruct the Earth's history before even life began. We can detect extremely low concentration because we have access to unique research facilities, a clean room with unique instruments. So if you are interested in learning more about Earth's history, join the Geology program. You will be welcome within the Star Lab.
Hello there. I teach mineralogy and petrology, a course about the properties and origins of minerals and rocks. And I also teach economic geology, a course about various earth resources. So this is our classroom where our geology majors and minors spend many hours full of activities, microscopy, computer applications, or in between classes, they simply meet here to study together and simply take a break. So we all enjoy this classroom. I researched the chemical composition and conditions of formation of unusually large crystals. I call them giant crystals, formed from magma. And recently I got involved also with the identification of the so-called doorstop meteorite, the 12th meteorite ever discovered in the state of Michigan. So, if you'd like to learn more about earth processes and materials of all kinds, or you'd like to get involved in research on meteorites or giant crystals or many other topics in geosciences, please contact us. We can get you started here in geology at CMU. Thank you.